Hello everyone, welcome to Rimless Liu Show. I'm Sharon. Today we are going to introduce Reborn pair injectable fillers for buttocks enhancement. Comment down below if you have any tissues during my Liu Show. I will reply you as soon as possible. And there will be 10% discount for you when you order Reborn. Just for new friends, thank you. Okay, next I will introduce Reborn pair dermal fillers. Reborn pair injectable fillers is a collagen stimulator, meaning it stimulates your skin to produce collagen. It can provide strong support and deep tissue regeneration, and restores volume lost due to aging or illness. Unlike other fillers in which the results are instant, because the substance inside the fillers are being used to directly add volume to the tissue. Reborn pair dermal filler works gradually over time to increase volume by stimulating your skin to produce its own collagen. Next, let's see the picture to show you how the Reborn effect. Wait a minute. Here. Yes. Before you use Reborn, you have many deep wrinkles like this. And when you use Reborn and inject volume immediately, fill wrinkles and volume defense. And within few days, the water in Reborn is absorbed by body, and there is a slight increase in wrinkles depth. And about 2 weeks, the second phase consists of a natural soft build-up. And after 4 weeks, clear improvement can be seen. Yes, like this. Because the ingredient of Reborn is polylactic acid, it can stimulate the body to produce collagen, so it needs time to be effective. And just like you see the picture, before using Reborn pair dermal filler, you can see clear wrinkles, depth, yes, like this here or your face. After using a Reborn, you can see injected volume immediately, about 1 day. And after 3 to 4 days, the water in Reborn is absorbed by body with a slight increase in wrinkles depth. And the whole process takes about 4 weeks, and that means 28 days. In other words, you need about 4 weeks to see obvious results. But the effect of Reborn would be different due to the physical difference of the injectors. Somebody may see satisfactory results in less than 4 weeks. Some people may need 5 weeks or 6 weeks to see significant changes. there are differences, and we recommend repeated injections, at least 2 times. And about 3 to 4 times of treatment, the effect can last for about 2 years. Because it is polylactic acid filler, it needs time to stimulate the growth of collagen to fill wrinkles or depressions. And our friends, if you have any questions, come down below to let me know. I will reply you as soon as possible. And what dermal fillers are used for? Dermal fillers can be used to correct awareness of concerns related to body aging, no matter for our face, neck, hands, or breast, buttocks, including adding volume and smoothing out the deep creases that run from the nose to the mouth here. Or the deep wrinkles on the neck. Yes, like this, neckline. And augmenting cheeks to enhance their shapes, often restoring youthful fullness. And filling out depressions or holes under eye area, or the depressions on breast, making indented scars from acne or chickenpox more even with surrounding skin. Wait a minute. Increasing volume to fill out outness in the lower cheek or temple area, which most often occurs due to fat pants shifting beneath the surface of skin and so on. And what are Reborn plla dermal fillers? We have Reborn plla dermal filler and hydrogel filler. Dermal filler is a free-dried powder. It needs to add still water for injection and lidocaine. Just need 5 to 10 minutes. It can be mixed well to inject. And after mixture, it is milky form. All the mixture can be used, and it is not necessary to extract only the supernatant, because the particle size of Reborn is 3 to 10 microns. It can pass 30G, even 32G shaft needles, or 27G black needle or cannula. Currently, Reborn dermal filler is available in 4 contents: 150 mg per vial, and 240 mg per vial, and 360 mg per vial, and 500 mg per vial. And as for 150 mg, it has less content for the problems around the eyes or forehead. It is better for thin skin, like here, forehead, or around eye. And it can solve the problems as dark circle, eye bags, CrossFit, and Finland, etc. As for 240 mg, it is middle content. It can be used. It is better for face, neck, hands, and to fill the wrinkles or the volume, increase the volume of hands. As for 360 mg, it is a popular content, and it has more volume for filling, for face, neck, hands, breast, buttocks, feet, body, and other parts of body, like arm. And the last one is 500 mg. It is hot selling content because it has more plla and feel more volume of breast, buttocks, and body. And for the for content, they have the same ingredient except the content and the package. You can note which content you want when you place orders. And the content I said just now refers the content of polylactic acid, and our minimum order content is 2 wells. You need to use at least 2 wells before you can see the great effect. And the main ingredient of Reborn derma filler is polylactic acid microspheres and medical supplements. The particle size of Reborn is 3 to 10 microns. It is a free-dried powder. It needs to add still water for injection and lidocaine. And Reborn can be mixed well and injected within 10 minutes. You just need 5 to 10 minutes, you can use it. After mixing, it is milky white solution. You can use 30G sharp needle, even 32G sharp needle, or 27G Brighten needle or cannula to inject Reborn. And as we know, the larger the number and the thinner the needle and the less pain the patient feels. Reborn can be used on full face. Yes, forehead, temple, eye area, and cheek, and neck, hands, breast, buttocks, arm, feet. And for the derma filler, which is used around the eyes, we have to be careful because the blood vessels and the nerves around the eyes are very dense. If we use the filler, the particle size are so big that they block the blood vessels, blindness is possible. But if you use a Reborn derma filler, you don't need worry because the particle size of Reborn is very small, 3 to 10 microns. It doesn't clog blood vessels, and so Reborn is safe and effective. Because the particle size is tiny, you can use Reborn in the thin skinned areas like your eyes, forehead. And after the injection, when you touch the injection site, there will be no foreign body sensations. The effect is very natural. Reborn stimulates the body to produce collagen to fill the wrinkles and depress caused by collagen loss. It can be widely used on the face, neck, hand, breast, buttocks, and other parts of the body. Then, how to use it? Because Reborn dermal filler is a freeze-dried powder, so it needs to mix with sterile water for injection and lidocaine. And different content requires different dilution ratio. Wait a minute. And we recommend using 150 milligram dermal fillers on the thin skin like eyes or forehead. And we recommend mix with 6 milliliter sterile water for injection and 2 milliliter lidocaine. Total is 8 milliliter for 150 milligram dermal filler. If you only would like to try Reborn products at one entrance project, please consider 150 milligram. It is enough for eyes project. For 240 milligram Reborn dermal filler, we recommend to mix with 9 milliliter sterile water for injection and 3 milliliter lidocaine. Total is 12 milliliter. And we recommend to use 240 milligram for the parts of the face that require less filling, such as facial fillings or hand or neck. And please note, Reborn dermal filler not only could aid in volume for neck, it also could make neck skin lifting via injection. And for 360 milligram, we recommend to mix with 13.5 milliliter sterile water for injection and 4.5 milliliter lidocaine. Total is 18 milliliter. And 360 milligram is better for using on the parts of the face that require more filling and lifting, such as deep wrinkles, and to add volume of hands, and to solve the necklines, deep necklines. For 500 milligram, we recommend to mix with 19 milliliter sterile water for injection and 6 milliliter lidocaine. Total is 25 milliliter. 500 milligram of Reborn dermal filler can be used for body parts as stretch marks and increase the volume of buttocks and breast. It can increase volume, and it has more plla and more filling. If you would like to try Reborn PLA dermal filler for many body parts, or you have a few customers would like to remove wrinkles or add volume for one part, you could consider 500 mg, as it has more PLA. Besides, we recommend 240 mg for female genitals and 360 mg for male genitals. If you use a Reborn PLA dermal filler for eyes, the safe concentration of dilution is 5 mg per milliliter. Just for eyes, the safe concentration. And that's just a safe solution to decide to help you better understanding of the use of the products. Please note it is only a suggestion, and the solution can be used according to your experienced doctors or method. And comment down below to let me know if you have any questions. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay, next I will introduce some before and after photos from our doctors of dermal filler. Wait a minute. The first one is for the neck. Here. And this is before and this is after using Reborn PLA dermal filler for the neckline. You can see here very deep wrinkles. And here disappear. Right? And next, it's for hands. Okay, let's see this one. And this is before. This is after. If your hands is like this, have many blood vessels and loss of collagen, you can use Reborn PLA dermal filler like this, fullness, and didn't have the blood vessels clearly, right? And next one. Let's see another before and after photos for the neckline. Yes, this one. This is before and this is after. There was a mini necklines, and here get shallow and disappear, right? Next one. injectable folds. Yes, not too much delay. Like this. And this is before, and this one is after. Here. Here, deep injectable folds, very deep. And here, almost disappear, right? Okay. Next, it's for the full face. This one. This is before, and this is after. Magic, right? Here, dry and have many wrinkles. Here and here, fullness, moist. Yes. Next. Yes, like this one. This is the first, and then after. Eye bags and injectable folds and forehead wrinkles. Here, disappear, and get shallow, right? Reborn plasma filler. Next one. Yes, for buttocks. Here, injection site. Injection and feeling. Here was the depression, and after. And next one. Yes, buttocks. This is before and after. And here lost volume. And here get more fullness, right? And next. Yes, for eyes. Here, eye bags. And after this period, right? If you want to see more effective photos, please contact our collagen or contact me. I will show you more photos. And that's all about Reborn plasma filler. Next, I will introduce Reborn hydrogel filler. And Reborn hydrogel filler is 5 ml per vial. It is a liquid gel. It can be used directly, don't need to add other things. The main ingredients are PG, plla, PG, and balanced salt and water. And as I said just now, it is liquid gel. By modifying PLA with good hydrophilicity, the obtained PG has a good hydrophilicity and obtained a liquid hydrogel. After injection, PG is excreted by human metabolism, and the remaining PLA continuously stimulates collagen regeneration during degradation. And the main effect of hydrogel filler is to resolve skin problems. It can make the skin white, tender, replenish lost water and collagen, awakes the cell regeneration, repairs the wasted cells of the skin, shrinks or enlarge pores, reduce discoloration, pains or acne pains. It can also be used to fill in dry lines or fine lines on the face. It can moisturize your skin. It has the super long effect and that will last more than 1 year after a few treatments. And Reborn hydrogel filler is for mesotherapy. This product hydrogel filler mainly for mesotherapy. Hello, my friend Modia Kumar. Hello, I'm Sharon from Rimless, and I'm introduce Reborn injectable fillers now. And hydrogel filler is for mesotherapy. Mesotherapy is a minimally invasive procedure where a series of superfine injection of nutrients are delivered into the mesodermal layer of the skin. This infusion of several ingredients nourishes and rejuvenates the skin, while also stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, both essential of skin's natural elasticity. My friend, if you have any questions, please comment down below to let me know. I will reply you as soon as possible. And for mesotherapy, the treatment time takes approximately about 30 minutes, and while not painful, it can be slightly uncomfortable. So an anesthetic cream can be used if your skin is a little sensitive. With minimal downtime, a little bruising and swelling may occur, but it will be short-lived and should settle about 3 days. Skin will become more radiant, hydrated, nourished, and firmer with an improved texture. Mesotherapy can instantly improve dull, tear-looking skin and superficial wrinkles, but can also help to improve sluggish blood circulation, aiding the body to flush out aging toxin. This treatment can also be used to address pigmentation problems, treat acne, scarring, and be combined to enhance the effects of other anesthetic treatments. Our hydrogel is easy to operate. The injection depth is recommended to be 0.9 millimeter to 1.6 millimeter, even 2 millimeter. Our recommendation is to use the mesogen to inject hydrogel filler. But if you have mesogen, that's fine. You can also use the hand needle or the micro needling or whatever it is, as long as the injection depth of your device can be 0.9 millimeter to 1.6 millimeter. The application of Reborn hydrogel is extensive. It can be used by all people except with the active period of skin infection and the allergic period. It also couldn't be used by the one who has autoimmune disease, scars, long-term use of anticoagulants and healthcare products, as well as pregnant and breastfeeding women, cancer patients, and minors are not suggested to use Reborn hydrogel filler. It is suggested that the facial and the neck treatment with Reborn hydrogel is performed with mesogen, and the neckline is filled with a 30G sharp needle with 1 milliliter syringe. Both subcutaneous or dermis injection is permitted with a depth of 0.9 millimeter to 1.6 millimeter. And the dosage of each injection is about 0.01 milliliter to 0.05 milliliter. And the total injection volume is related to the injection site and the facial state of your patients. Generally, the first therapy of the entire face is recommended to use 2 to 5 milliliter. Neck treatment is about 3 to 5 milliliter. The specific dosage depends on the number or the degree of the necklace. Whether it is facial or neckline treatment, the volume of the second time can be the same as the first dosage or increased according to the patient's requirement. Talking about the usage of hydrogel filler, it is the liquid plla, so you don't need to dissolve with water for injection and lidocaine. You only need to use alcohol to disinfect after wiping anesthetic. It will take about 30 minutes. After using hydrogel filler, you need to avoid alcohol, spicy food, and seafood in 1 week. After injection, applying a facial mask every day will show better absorbable effect. Comment down below to let me know if you have any questions during my live show. I will reply you as soon as possible, and there will be a 10% discount for you when you order Reborn, just for our new friends. Thank you. And I have introduced our 2 main products, Reborn dermal filler and Reborn hydrogel filler. And next, I'm going to introduce the differences between dermal filler and hydrogel filler. First of all, dermal filler is a freeze-dried powder, and it need to add steroid for injection and lidocaine to mix well and then to inject it. But hydrogel filler is a liquid gel, so it can be used directly, don't need to add other things. And about the injection depth, dermal filler is below dermis, but a hydrogel filler is about 0.9 millimeter to 1.6 millimeter. And the best method of our dermal filler is to use a hand needle to inject it into below dermis. It will have the best effect. But for hydrogel filler, you can use mesogan or macro needling and other device, as long as the injection depth can be 0.9 millimeter to 1.6 millimeter. But if you operate hydrogel filler with hand needle, it will be a little pain, but the effect of both are good. And the main role of dermal filler is to fill wrinkles, dents, and increase the volume of buttocks or breast. While the main role of hydrogel filler is to solve skin problems such as fine lines, acne marks, dull skin, or other skin problems. Of course, our two products, dermal filler and hydrogel filler, can be mixed to use, and the effect is very good. So I have introduced Reborn dermal filler and Reborn hydrogel filler. If you are interested in Reborn products and want to know more information, please contact me or our collagen. We will send you more information and product related videos. And next, I will introduce Reborn. I will introduce the difference between Reborn and other fillers. The first one is hyaluronic acid filler and Reborn plla injectable filler. And for hyaluronic acid filler, the scope of application is eye bags, eye contours, apple muscle shaping, nose bridge improvement, nose trimming, cheek plumping, etc. And the injection effect can be maintained for 6 to 12 months. But for Reborn plla dermal filler, it can be used for full face, except the nose. It can be used for the thin skin, like forehead, around the eyes, cheeks. And when you inject Reborn, you touch the injection site, very natural. Because it is polylactic acid, it needs to add steroid for injection and lidocaine. The particle size of Reborn is 3 to 10 microns. It's very small, and it can stimulate our own body to produce collagen, so the effect is very natural. And next, I will introduce the difference between Reborn and Radiance. Radiance is often used to treat natural faults, but Radiance is not suitable for around the eyes because it is dangerous to use around the eyes. It will clog the blood vessel or blindness it's possible. But if you use Reborn for the eyes, it is very safe because the particle size of Reborn is 3 to 10 microns. Reborn can be used for thin skin like forehead, around the eyes, on full face, neck, and hands, breast, buttocks. And compared with other plla fillers, Reborn's advantages are as below. The first one, Reborn provides 4 contents: 150 mg and 240 mg and 360 mg and 500 mg for each vial, and it is one single package. That means 1 vial per box. And 2, Reborn can be used for full face, neck, hands, breast, buttocks, and other parts of body. Especially, it is very good for the forehead, natural folds, cheeks, eyes, around the eyes, and the temple, except nose. Reborn only need 5 to 10 minutes for dilution, but other plla fillers need to wait at least 24 hours to 72 hours. And the particle size of Reborn is only 3 to 10 microns, which will not block blood vessels. It is very safe. Okay, next I will play some videos for the buttocks. Wait a minute. Let's see this one. Okay. Like this here. Injection videos of buttocks. Yes. Blood needle. You also call it cannula. Draw the lens for injection direction. Okay. Because you want have the beautiful shape of buttocks, you need more volume of Reborn. So it is better to choose 500 milligram Reborn peridermal filler. 1 injection part. You can do some massage after injection. Yes, another side. Okay. Draw the lines for injection. Yes. Start to inject. Okay. Massage. Yes. Okay. This is the injection video of buttocks. Next, I will play the video for the face injection. Wait a minute. Let's see this one for face. Okay. Let's go. Temple. Cheeks. another side. Okay. As I said before, Reborn can be used for full face, forehead, temple, around the eyes, cheek, nasolabial folds, and neck, hands, breast, buttocks, and arm, and feet, other parts. And it is very safe because the particle size is 3 to 10 microns. And we have 4 contents for choice. 150 milligram for the thin skin like forehead, eyes, to solve the problems like crow's feet, eye bags, phalanx, etc. And 240 milligram for the full face for less feeling like wrinkles and neck, hands. And 360 milligram, it has more period for more feeling for full face, neck, hands, or breast, buttocks. And the super content of Reborn is 500 milligram. It has the more period for the buttocks, breast to increase volume. And we also have Reborn hydrogel filler, 5 ml per vial, and it is liquid gel. It is for mesotherapy, can be used by mesogan or macros needle or other device, as long as the injection depth of your device can be 0.9 mm to 1.6 mm. If you want to try Reborn, please contact me or my collagens. Okay, today I'm introduce a Reborn plasma filler and a Reborn hydrogel filler. And if you want to know more information, we please be our fans of this account, Reborn and Aesthetics. We will send you product introductions and product related videos. And we will have another live show next Friday. It hosted by my collagen Joy. Welcome to join us. Thank you for watching our live show. See you next time. Bye.